Hi, Helen and Jeanette. Before we go any further with our interview, I just want to confirm that your wedding date is the 17th of October 2022. Is that correct?
Yes, countdown is on.
Yay, amazing. And also, before we go any further, I want to note that all of the information that you provide me with today, I keep safe and secure. So I take the security of your personal information very seriously. I put into place a range of measures to ensure that this information is protected, including password protection, firewalls, a secure working environment, that's the office in my home, and proper procedure for disposal of all of your sensitive information. Just wanted to make sure you're comfortable with that.
Yep, appreciate it.
Fantastic. So, in order to get married in Australia, there are some legal requirements. These are clearly stated in the Marriage Act 1961. So these are that both parties are of marriageable age, that they are not in a prohibited relationship, that they are not married to anyone else, and that they are both giving real consent. Helen and Jeanette, can I confirm that you can both marry under Australian law?
I'm currently married. I'm waiting for my divorce order to come through, which should be next 4 days, which I'll forward to you.
Okay, amazing. That's not a problem at all.
And I have no strings attached. We're good.
That's fantastic. So Jeanette, yeah, amazing. As soon as you get that divorce order through, if you're happy to send that through to me, I just need to be able to cite that before we can sign the declaration of no legal impediment to marriage, and we'll sign that the day of the wedding. So as long as I cite it before then, we can clearly state that you can get married.
Yeah, perfect.
Amazing, thank you so much. I'm going to write a file note in there just to make sure that I've got that sorted. And now I know we discussed the shortening of time for your father. I'm going to talk you through that process a little bit just to make sure you're clear around what's going to happen. So legally in Australia, a couple needs to give 4 weeks notice, so 1 month's notice at least, to be able to get married. So this is why we're doing a shortening of time, so that we can still legally get married. So a shortening of time, it's not immediate, it's not granted straight away, it might take a little while. There is an applicable fee. At the moment, I think it's $55, so just be prepared for that. We're gonna sign and cite the notice of intended marriage today. So I'm gonna give you the original and a copy to take with you to your appointment. I would make an appointment as soon as you can with the BDM, so births, deaths, marriages, or your local court, to gather all of your documentation that's appropriate for the appointment. So with that, you'll have a letter from me saying that I've cited and committed to being your celebrant if the shortening of time comes through, and that we've signed the notice of intended marriage together. That's confirming basically that I'm willing to do the ceremony. You'll make your appointment. You'll need to take with you photo ID of both of you, and then supporting evidence. So that's definitely a doctor's certificate from your father's doctor to make sure that the reason why you're asking for a shortening of time, which is a medical reason, is eligible. So as much supporting evidence as you can, and your application can be delayed if you don't have all of this with you in the appointment. So that's important to note. And that's it. The letter will have all of your details on it, everything that you'll need, and then we can keep in contact just to make sure that's all going ahead.
Okay. Thank you so much for all your help.
No worries, thank you so much.
Cheers.